Looks like a 458 Pista. Oh my god, that sounds incredible. Gotta get every sound for this car. That is amazing. Jeez. That's fat. That must be like a 458 Italia, but I thought Ferraris can't be straight pipe like that. That'd be illegal. Wow, that is amazing. One special car, that is. That's a car to have one day. That's a dream car, guys. Oh, look at the sound of it. I can feel it in my heart vibrating. The whole ground is shaking. Whether that's a, I think that's a V, it's gotta be a V10. Sounds incredible, that does. Oh, it's cameras, that's why. We're enjoying ourselves right now. I should be getting this car MOT'd. Never mind going for a drive. We're trying our best to keep up though. Come on, V10! Come on, V10! Whoa! Whoa! Forget the miles per hour. Living the life, bro. That's fat. I should have got V-power in this. Sounds amazing though, that does. My adrenaline's like up here right now. Adrenaline rush! With a pancake there, man. Daisy. guys now. Bit dirty, sorry about that. I didn't know it was that dirty till I like cleaned it out.